Now I'm just going to show you how to create your own mini site using My Free Website Builder. My Free Website Builder is a free HTML editor that you can get at myfreewebsitebuilder.com. Now, to make it easier for you and to get you started, I've actually given you a template that you can load right in here, and then all you have to do is change what you want to change. Template download link is just below the video here, so you can just download the template and then you can open it with My Free Website Builder. So we'll just go through the basic parts here. You can put your header here if you have a custom designed header, and then if you have a custom designed box image you can put it here, and then you would put your headline here. This would be your product headline. You put the date and your name down here, and then you start your sales copy. Partway down your sales copy you put your testimonial in. Here you're going to have some bullet points that describe your product. Down here you can put some closing text, your pricing, and your payment button. Down here you put your name, a PS down here, and then if you have a footer image you can put it down here. So this is fully editable. You can just change it in any way that you see fit, but it's a starter for you. It has a table built in with a white background. You have a darker background around the edge here that you can change. Now let's just go through a few things with My Free Website Builder. It's just like using a word processor. Basically all these functions here are like word processor. So all you have to do is type things in, and you can make them bigger, smaller, bold them, change the colors, just like any word processor. So let's say we want to change our headline here. What we can do is just type in what we want here. Or paste it in from somewhere else. So here, an example of a headline. We can change the color here just by clicking on the little button there, bringing up the color palette. From here you can change your colors by clicking inside here, or you can pick a color off the side here. Click OK. You can also put in the hex values, or the color name, or the RGB values, red, green, blue. Now if you want to underline something, all you have to do is highlight it like so. Click the underline. This is just like a word processor. If you want to take the underline off something, again, highlight it and take the underline off. Make the font bigger. Make the font smaller. So you get the idea. It's just basically like a word processor. All of these things in here. So you just go ahead and you make any changes in here that you need to change. A couple other things that it's handy to be able to do is to add an image. So let's say we're going to add our payment button down here. So where it says payment button here, let's take that out. And I actually included a payment button for you with this website. All you have to do is click image, then choose file, and then make sure that the file is in the same folder or below your website so that it is in a relative spot. So our site index page is in site template, and then image is under that, and JPEG is under that. So as long as they're in a straight line and you don't have it sitting way off somewhere else in your computer, everything will work fine when you go to upload it. So we'll click order button. In here you can put some alternate text, and that displays when it can't find the button. If you don't want to use alternate text, just click that. Click OK. And there is your button up on your website. Now the good thing about using a website editor is that you don't need to know HTML at all to use it. You can do everything from within the editor here. However, if you do need to make some changes to some source for any reason, you can click near where you want to change the source, and down here you can click on the source button, and it will position you right to where that source is. So click the button below to get your copy. and you'll see that that is where we click there. So, and it positioned it to us right here. So if you needed to change some code, this is where you can do it. And then you have a preview window here. It just shows you a preview without all the editing marks in it. A couple other things under Format. If you go to Page Title and Properties, here you can give your page a title and a description. And that's important for search engines. Make sure you take advantage of both of those. You can also change your colors in your background. So right now we're using custom colors. We could also use a background image just by choosing a file here. Now I'm going to use the order button just for convenience sake. I wouldn't normally do that. So if we click OK, you'll see now that our background is now made up of the payment button. You'd normally have a regular background image to do that. So that's how you can set your background to a custom image. Testimonial here. Once you have a testimonial, you can just type it right in there using the word processor again. Type in your sales copy just like you would in a normal word processor, and you have a page that's all ready to go. Now there's some information on how to set up your own mini site using the template that I supplied to you and the free My Free Website Builder software.